Number 1.
Vapur Solid Flexible Water Bottle.
Number 2.
Physix Gear Sport Compression Socks for men and women.
Your search for the best compression socks is finally over. For those suffering from swollen legs, Physix Gear compression socks provide a true, graduated all-day compression at a medical-grade class, without restricting or cutting off blood flow. They're incredibly easy to put on, and you'll feel shock absorption almost immediately. We've engineered our socks with the latest arch-to-calf compression technology, delivering enhanced blood flow and circulation to the legs for longer and harder workouts and recovery. Each sock is meticulously stitched using a world-class German MERZ stitching machine, providing integrity of stitches and prevention of easy fraying seen in cheaper quality brands. Physix compression socks are made from a nylon and spandex blend, making them shrink and wrinkle-free in the wash and usable in hot climates without excess sweat buildup. Get back on your feet again with the last compression socks you'll ever need to own from Physix Gear Sport.
Number 3.
Everlasting Comfort Airplane Footrest.
Number 4.
MZOO Sleep Eye Mask for men and women.
Hello shoppers, I would like to review today with you this sleep mask from MZOO. The packaging is very nice. Let's open it. And it's packaged beautifully. This is the actual mask. It comes also with travel bag. It's very beautiful and shiny. And additionally, you will get earplugs. The actual mask is very light. The fabric is super soft and smooth, especially the part which goes on your skin. And it comes with adjustable strap. The actual strap is very soft as well. It won't pull your hair and it fits any hat. It's suitable for man or woman. And my favorite part is this 3D deep contouring cups. It's deep enough, it won't hurt your eyeballs, and you can freely blink in it. The mask is made out of memory foam. It will fit perfect on your face. The stitchings are great, and the quality of the materials as well. It's a great mask. It blocks out light completely. It's good for traveling. It's good for any person who has trouble sleeping. It's great for meditation as well. I love this product. I would highly recommend it.
Number 5.
DAX Ultra Soft Foam Earplugs.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm here to show you how to use Mack's foam earplugs. These earplugs are very effective and easy to use. To start, make sure your hands are clean. Then with your thumb and forefinger, roll the foam into a cylinder shape. While holding the earplug in one hand, use your opposite hand to reach over your head to pull up and back on your outer ear to straighten the ear canal. Quickly insert the earplug well into the ear canal and hold in place for a comfortable, secure fit. There you have it. Thanks for using Mack's soft foam earplugs, and thanks for watching.
Number 6.
REDCAMP Outdoor Camping Pillow.
Number 7.
Havaianas Top Flip-Flop Sandal.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.